We got a Lone Star Rider in front of us and Crazy Dave. They're leaving Kingsport. They're leaving Kingsport. We just ate at Highway Cafe 93, right here on Highway 93, Sullivan Gardens Parkway in Kingsport. Crazy Dave is in front of me. And Lone Star Rider is in front of Crazy Dave. There's Crazy Dave on the right. Right here, Crazy Dave. Let's go up here and get some footage of Lone Star Rider. There's Lone Star Rider in front of me. See old Lone Star? There's old Lone Star Rider leaving Kingsport, going to Maryland. Now I'm going to drop in, get back behind Crazy Dave. I think I'm going to go all the way to the rest stop so I can get more footage of them going down the road. Glasses off the dash. It's a cold day, my friends. This is only the second time I've met Lone Star Rider. I have been watching his YouTube channel since 2016. If you go on there on YouTube, check out Lone Star Rider. Type in Lone Star Rider, you'll pull him up. Rex Covington, and this is Crazy Dave in front of us. Crazy Dave's trailer on YouTube, right here. All right, this is where my video will end. That's Lone Star Rider and Crazy Dave's trailer. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe as always. Be happy, positive, and focused. I love everybody. Have a wonderful day. Try to do the right thing. Stay away from negative people. I will see you all on down the road.